here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the fastest way, yes, the fastest way to make money with MCA if you're just getting started. I'm just going to give about three strategies, fastest way to make money with MCA, okay? So, how would it feel if you could just, maybe you're just starting MCA, maybe you're looking up MCA and you're just thinking like, I want to start making money as quickly as possible. And I'm going to be honest with you, MCA is a long-term business. You shouldn't be here for the month or two. If you're trying to start this business, you should be trying to develop it and build a super huge team, as well as learn to sell the product. So, as you can assume from the first thing, the first statement is selling the product. Now, when it comes to selling a product, you want to be selling it to people who know, like, and trust you. So we're going to start with selling it to family. Okay, so what you need to do when selling a product, and you're going to learn that, when it comes to your MCA business, you do not want to pitch the business opportunity to your family members. You only want to show them the product, because look, these are people who know, like, and trust you, and they're going to be the first people who are most likely to buy from you because they know, like, and trust you. And I'm pretty sure they'll be willing to switch whatever service you're using for the product that you have to offer, which is Motor Club of America in this situation. So, selling the product, family, friends, etc., and strangers. So you want to learn how to sell the product. All you have to do is, if you ever start MCA, we provide you guys with basically a template of all the benefits, and basically you can use it, create a binder, and you can explain it and show it to them. And the membership sells itself. So if you show it to them, and these people know, like, and trust you, they should be most likely to join. So what you should do is you should get, I'm going to take this out. Actually, I'm just going to go down lower. You want to get come up with about a list of 50 people that you can show this product to. And when you show the product to them, your goal is to at least score 10 to 20 people. And with MCA, this can get you anywhere from $800 to $1,600. And right here, this is when you'll get a budget that you can use for advertising or hiring, or even getting more tools to sell the product. All right. So after you get the budget, after you make the money from your family, selling them the product, showing them the product, you want to get to number 2, which is the recruiting part. And high sales. Wait, I'm just going to go to the recruiting. I'm just going to talk about the recruiting part. To recruit, what the fastest way in MCA isn't to recruit. That's why this is number 2. But if you learn how to recruit, the opportunity, if you haven't been in MCA, the opportunity is free to join. But when people join you, and I'm going to get to number 3, when people join you, when people join you, people join people. So we don't want to put the opportunity as MCA. We like to put the opportunity as joining me or my team. So when you join me, you're joining multi-team to multi-dimensional income. I don't want to say you're joining MCA, because look, when you join a team, you're learning more than what the big business or company would be doing. Because look, I have a separate thing for when my MCA business where, if I'm hiring someone, that's when you're joining a company, when you're getting hired. But if you're partnering with me in business to grow under my team, that's when you're joining, me and my team. So recruiting, you want to recruit them as a team member, and a couple factors will go into this. You want to build relationships. So fastest way is to start building relationships. So you don't want to start trying to pitch this business opportunity to people without building relationships and providing value. Now look, we can all go out there on social media and there's people out there flashing money. So honestly, when you do that, you make it doesn't look like a credible business. So I used to do that, and I don't do that anymore. If I was to do that, I'll just show it as I don't even want to show proof anymore because I honestly don't care if someone needs me to flash money in their face because we get paid direct deposit. So I don't know why we're flashing cash in people's faces. Anyways, we don't get paid cash. It makes it look like a money drug deal. So it's a business. And however you want people to see you, it's the guy who flashes money to get people into his business, or the girl, guy or girl, that could be your choice. If you find people, if you want to work with people who connect with you like that, that's your choice. There's so many, I'm not gonna, judge because I know there's people who are making a killing doing that, and there's people who, who are struggling doing that. But you want to provide value and just live your life. You shouldn't want to be pressed about whenever you're recruiting. You shouldn't want to be pressed about whatever you're recruiting and someone doesn't want to join your team. Maybe they just haven't connected with you. Maybe you haven't shown them the opportunity in the best way, or maybe you don't know how to fight rebuttals or react to whatever they have to say. So, and that all comes with part number 3 when it comes to making money, especially in a business like MCA, is training your team. And if you want to be, the face and have a growing team, you want to train them because look, when they make money, you make money because they're on your team. So I do the same thing. They make money and I make money. It's not like they make sales, they're selling a product under you, then you'll make a small portion commission of that, and if they're successful, then you'll receive the success that you've given them by training them. So you want to you don't want to hold their hand because it'll depend on you, but you should train them. So that's the 3 tips I have to talk to you guys about today. If you ever want to join my team, shoot me a message on Facebook, or there's some sort of link. You can go on my website and click the Earn tab that teaches you the 5 components of the running a successful online business before you even join my team. So you will have to go through that before you even join my team. So yeah, remember, first step, sell the product to friends and family. Get your budget up. 2, understanding the recruiting part. Build relationships, provide value, and just live your life. And 3, train your team whenever you recruit to your team. Okay? So these are the fastest ways to make money with MCA. Hope you guys got some value today. You really rethink your business a little bit more and stop trying to, change the way people see you. And your image is everything. Remember that. So it doesn't matter what business you're in. Your image is everything. Okay? So that's all I have to say for today. So I'm signing out. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Subscribe to my channel. I think I might do a double upload because I was supposed to upload this on Monday, but I'm uploading on Tuesday. So, peace.